Hi. In case you've forgotten, or this is your first time here, I'm Chris, and my wife's name is Shelley. She's trying to catch the newest addition to our family, Grizz. Less than 2 pounds of endless energy, a nose for mischief, and a mouthful of those razor-sharp needle teeth, and he's really fast. I'm betting on her, though. If you remember, in our last episode, we talked a little bit about Grizz and our stop in Madras, Oregon to visit our oldest son and his kids at our campsite on Lake Simtustus. Now, Madras is on the west side of Mount Hood and is west of the demarcation that tends to be on the drier side. Sandy, where our youngest son and his significant other live, is the wet zone near the eastern side, which is noted by tall conifers, broad and small leaf maple, and lots of rain and fog. We're from the desert southwest, and if it wasn't for the amazing beauty of this state, the lack of sun and constant rain could leave you a little bummed. Well, we can feel the temperatures beginning to drop, and as if to give us a little tap on the shoulder to let us know that the seasons are changing.
You've got a real attitude problem, McFly. You're a slacker.
We woke up to this. Huh? Hail? Beat that, guys. Oh, darn. Should have kept my mouth shut. Next morning, we're staying at a familiar park, but the name has changed. No longer a full 1,000 trails. They are 1,000 Trails affiliates. I guess that means that they reserve a certain number of spaces for 1,000 Trails members, just not the whole park. It is prettier than we remember, and the staff is really friendly, and everyone seems to be working hard to keep it looking and working great. It is now the Mount Hood Village RV Resort. I'll bet that Class A cost a pretty penny. Sure hope that saw your nose's job. Yep, fell it right on the street. Kurt is a busy young man, and like with his brother Drew, we treasure whatever time they can afford us. Today's diversion is fly fishing at Oregon's Frog Lake. Kurt found a great place to put the drone up. Yeah, the new battery finally came in. We were having a great time when the bat phone rang. That's his work phone, which usually means a wildlife problem. And that's what it was. Seems that in Milwaukee, near Portland, there was an oil slick on a pond that came from firefighting runoff after a fuel oil fire in town. Kurt needed to catch the affected mallard and transport it to a wildlife rescue group who would clean it and then return it for re-release into the wild. He offered for us to meet him at the site and watch the recovery. Man, is he fast. Well, the duck was fast too, just not as fast as Kurt. A couple of days later, Kurt and I had a boys' night out and went to the local cinema for a dash of action and relaxation, bundled with popcorn and soda. What did we see? But of course.
Name?
Bond. James Bond.
So you're not dead?
Okay, kind of looks like a firefighting helicopter. Damn, this place is busy. By the way, we have exploded, well, for us anyways. There are a ton of views hitting the channel right now, as well as, to this point, over 100 new subscribers. I want to personally welcome and hope that everyone will welcome our newest subscribers to our team. We are also thankful to everyone for being a part of our license to travel and the fantastic community we are building. We are so glad you have come to join our journey of discovery. We are absolutely looking forward to seeing all of our friends next week right here at 5 p.m. Arizona time. Until then, check out some of our previous adventures. Travel safe.